Hello viewers, I welcome you all from HLTF_Tech channel. Today we are going to talk about Exchange databases. As you all know that in our previous video we developed a new Exchange system in an on-premise environment. Now in the current video we are going to see that how Exchange saves its data, that is the data of the mailing of the users, mailboxes including inbox, outbox, drafts, etc. in its databases. Exchange saves its data in the form of XML files. It doesn't require SQL or SQL or any other database. For that, if you go into servers, if you click on databases, here you can see that one database is created by default whenever you create a new environment. For creating multiple databases, you click here and create a new database. For example, if I click here and add a new mailbox, here you will see that mailbox database option, in which there will be only one database that is mounted. In order to segregate your users as per their departments, you are recommended to create multiple databases. So for example, I create a new mailbox database for HRM department. Okay, I'm going to browse the server. We have only one server right now, and here you will see that the database file path will be exchange, this one. And if I navigate to this path, I will save it. Okay, it's saying to restart the Microsoft Exchange Information Store service after adding new databases. Okay, fine. Now a new database has been added. Now if I click here, if I click here, you will see here that in mailbox folder, the HRM department database has been created. This was the database that was created by default whenever you create a new system. And now if we talk about HRM department database, it is this one. This database, you can see that these are different type of files. As soon as the data grows gradually, the files are ultimately created, and the data is saved in the form of XML or notepad files. You can also view that files, but they are normally in encrypted form. There is a procedure to view that files and data. I will tell you details in my upcoming videos. So this was all about creating a new database in your existing Exchange Admin Center. I thank you all for watching this video.